Hello Indonesia, I'm Meidiasa Prameswari from Publishing 1C, State Polytechnic of Creative Media Jakarta. I would like to describe subsector of creative industry in Indonesia, namely is publishing. What is publishing? Publishing is an effort to concentrate on producing and reproducing literary works and information, an activity that can be enjoyed by the public, which will be studied in publishing, not only about knowledge. In publishing, also studying graphic science, editing manuscript, publishing calculation, and much more. And the job prospects of publishing are being an editor, scriptwriter, proofreader, journalist, publishing entrepreneur, and many more. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.